अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ। टुडे वी डिस्कस क्लास 10th Chapter 3 Exercise 3.6. In exercise 3.6 we solve the questions by K method, and let's start exercise 3.6. Question 1 and part 1. We have A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, and we show that the values that are 4A minus 9B over 4A plus 9B is equal to 4C minus 9D over 4C plus 9D. In these questions we start A over B. We put the ratio in fraction form, which is A over B is equal to C over D is equal to K, and also we put A over B is equal to K and A is equal to BK. On the other hand, C over D is equal to K and C is equal to DK. Now we put the values of A and C in this question. We get 4 BK minus 9B over 4 BK plus 9B is equal to, we solve them side by side. 4 DK minus 9D over 4 DK plus 9D. Now solve this by take common B. The remaining values are 4K minus 9 over take common B 4 B plus 9 is equal to, take here D common, 4K minus 9 over D common 4K plus 9. Now simplify these values. We cancel B with B and D with D. The remaining values are 4K minus 9 over 4, sorry, here is a K, 4K plus 9 is equal to 4K minus 9 over 4K plus 9, and both the values are same, hence proof the left side is equal to the right side. Hence proof left hand side is equal to right hand side. And the second part is 6A minus 5B over 6A plus 5b is equal to 6c minus 5d over 6c plus 5d. The same we have a is equal to bk, c is equal to dk. Put the values of a and c in these equations. We get 6 bk minus 5b over 6 bk plus 5b is equal to 6 dk minus 5d over 6 dk plus 5d. Now take common from left side b. We get 6k minus 5 and other common b 6k plus 5, and on the right side we take common d over 6k minus 5 over d 6k plus 5. Now we cancel b with b and d with d. The remaining values are 6k minus 5 over 6k plus 5 is equal to 6k minus 5 over 6k plus 5. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side, in which the values are a over b is equal to a square plus c square over b square plus d square square root. Here also we put the values of a is equal to bk and c is equal to dk. Solve the values. We get bk over b is equal to bk whole square plus dk whole square over b square plus d square whole square root. B cancel with b, we get a k is equal to, on the right hand side, b square k square plus d square k square over b square plus d square square root. Take common k square. The remaining values are b square plus d square over b square plus d square square root. This b square plus d square cancel with b square plus d square. We have k square square root and square root cancel each other. We get k. Hence the left hand side is equal to right hand. Hence the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proof. The next is question 4, in which a is power 6 plus b is power c is power 6, a is power 6 ratio c is power 6, sorry, a is power 6 plus c is power 6 ratio b is power 6 plus d is power 6 is equal to a3 C3 ratio B3 D3. We write these values in fraction. We get A's power 6 plus C's power 6 over B's power 6 plus D's power 6 is equal to A's power 6 C's power 3, A's power 3 C's power 3 over B's power 3 D's power 3. Now we put the values of A is equal to KB and C is equal to DK. Here is A is equal to BK. In the questions we get BK whole power 6 plus DK whole power 6 over B6 plus D6 is equal to A is equal to BK whole power 3 and CK is C is equal to DK whole power 3 over B's power 3 D's power 3. Now we simplify these values. We get B's power 6 K's power 6 plus D's power 6 K's power 6 over B's power 6 plus D's power 6 is equal to, here is B's power 3 K3 into D3 K3 over B3 D3. Now so further simplify, we take common K square, K's power 6 the remaining value is B6 plus D6 over B6 plus D6. It's equal to K3 multiplied by K3, we get K's power 6 into B3 D3 over B3 D3. Simplify, cancel these values each other. We get K's power 6 is equal to K's power 6. Both are equal. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. What is P A plus B plus QB ratio P C plus D plus QD is equal to C ratio A ratio C. Here is A ratio C, and first we write them in the fraction form, which is P A plus B plus QB over P C plus D plus QD is equal to A over C. Now put the value of A, which is equal to BK, and C is equal to DK in this question. We get P bracket BK plus B plus QB, and the denominator P DK plus D plus QD is equal to A is equal to BK over DK. Simplify these values. We take common B from the question. Here B P bracket K plus 1 plus QB over, take common D, take common B in numerator, B bracket P k plus 1 bracket close plus q bracket close over, we take common d in p bracket k plus 1 and plus q bracket close is equal to b over d. These values are cancel each other, we get b over d is equal to b over d. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. So proof. Now we start question 6 in part 6, in which the values are written in proportion form, which are a square plus b square ratio a cube over a plus b is equal to c square plus d square ratio c cube over c plus d. First we write them in the fraction form, in which a square plus b square over a3 over a plus b is equal to c square plus d square over c cube over c plus d. And further we write it a square plus b square into a plus b over a3 is equal to c square plus d square into c plus d over c cube. Now we put the values of a and c in these equations. We get a is equal to bk and c is equal to dk. We get b over k whole square plus b square b k plus b over pk whole cube is equal to dk whole cube plus whole square dk whole square plus d square and dk plus d over dk whole cube. Now simplify these values, we get b square k square plus b square into bk plus b over b3 k3 is equal to d3 k3 plus d square k square plus d square into dk plus d over d3 k3. We take common from the bracket b square and in the bracket k square plus 1, and in this bracket we take b, the remaining value is k plus 1 over b3 k3 is equal to, take common d square, the remaining value is k square plus 1, and take common d, the remaining is k plus 1 over d3 k3. Now further simplify, b square multiply by b, we get b3, and in the bracket k square plus 1 into k plus 1 over b3 k3, and the other value is d3, because this d square multiply by d for d3, the remaining value is k square plus 1 k plus 1 over d3 k3. Now simplify these values, we get b3 cancel with b3, d3 cancel with d3, and the remaining values are k square plus 1 into k plus 1 over k3 is equal to k square plus 1 into k plus 1 over k3. The both sides are same, hence proof left hand side is equal to right hand side, which is a over b is equal to a square plus c square plus e square over b square plus d square plus f square square root. Now we put the values of a, b, c and e in this fraction. We have bk over b is equal to bk whole square plus dk whole square plus fk whole square over b square plus d square plus f square square root. Now the left hand side we simplify them. B cancel with key, we have a k, and on the right hand side we solve it. B square k square plus d square k square plus f square k square over b square plus d square plus f square whole square root. A is equal to k square bracket b square plus d square plus f square over b square plus d square plus f square square root. These values cancel with each other. The k is equal to k square square root, and we know that square and square root cancel each other. It is k. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, and hence proof left hand side is equal to right hand side. The next value is our second part, in which AC plus CE plus EA over BD plus DF plus FB is equal to ACE over BDF whole power 2 over 3. Now we put the values of A, which is BK, C is equal to DK, and E is equal to FK in these fractions. We get BK into DK plus DK into FK plus FK into BK over BD plus DF plus FB is equal to BK into DK into FK over BDF whole power 2 over 3. Now simplify these values. We get BK multiplied by DK, we have BD k whole square plus DK into FK, we have DF k square, and the last is FK multiplied by BK, we have BF k whole square over BD into DF into FB is equal to, these values we multiply, we have BDF over b df into k3 and whole power 2 over 3. Now further, when simplifying the values, we get take common k square, and the remaining values are ed plus df plus, we can write bf fb 2 over bd plus df plus fb is equal to, these values are enclosed in the bracket, b df over b df whole power 2 over 3 into k3 whole power 2 over 3. These 3 cancel with these 3 and these values are cancel each other. We have k square. These values 2 cancel each other. We have k square. So the left hand side is equal to right hand side, and prove hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. And next, the third part, which is AC over BD plus CE over DF plus EA over FB is equal to A square over B square plus C square over D square plus E square over F square. Here we also put the value of A, C and E, which is A is equal to BK, C is equal to DK, E is equal to FK. We get, instead of A, C and E, we have BK into DK over BD plus DK into FK over DF plus FK into BD FK into BK over FB is equal to BK whole square over B square plus DK whole square over D square plus FK whole square over F square. Now we simplify these values. We get BK, when multiply DK, we have BD K square over BD is equal to DK multiply FK, we have, here is plus sign, DF K square over DF plus DK multiply by BK, we have FB K whole square over FB is equal to, on the right side we get B square K square over B square plus D square K square over D square plus F square K square over F square. Now these values are cancel each other. We have K square plus K square plus K square is equal to B square with B square cancel, K square, D square cancel with D square, we get K square, F square cancel with F square, we have K square. Now when simplifying these values, K square, K square, K square, we get 3K square is equal to, on the right side also, k square, we have 3k square. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side, hence proof left hand side is equal to right hand side.